Everybody loves an awesome sex on the beach. Today, I'll show you how to make one. An awesome sex on the beach is a cup of ice, vodka, peach schnapps, orange juice, next, cranberry juice, next we stir it a little bit. Then we garnish it with an orange wedge and the cherry. The sex on the beach. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about the sex on the beach recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality kitchen equipment? Use the links that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may be awarded a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate it. I appreciate you hanging out with Uncle Daddy until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more mixed drink tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Adult Beverages. Uncle Daddy here saying eat, grind, rewind. Until next video,